Who cares about the ozone?
Yeah, who cares with the ozone? It's beautiful! It's so
Ain't that pretty?
Well, they already fixed the hole in the ozone. They patched it up.
Oh, that's true.
It was Australia. All those Australians were getting skin cancer, but they're good now.
Way back now, it's gonna flash and
They
shoot
patched it
at
up with the big bags of plastic that are in the dead zones of the ocean.
No. Oh God, yeah. There's other things going on now. Yeah, they fixed that hole in the ozone.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
not
it's
the
global
4
warming.
You say
dead
they
zones
fixed
in the
it?
ocean.
Well, we're tearing it down again.
what the heck?
And it's a different kind of cardboard. I don't know what they do to it.
Plastic
Could it have a different name, like metal? What's that?
Metal.
There's a lot of copper in it or something.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh,
That's
son of a gun,
exactly
that's
what
where
the
that copper
copper
wire
looks
went
like.
that I
No,
was
you
saying.
burned your copper wire.
Oh, you just lost a lot of money. That's beautiful. Look
It's
at that.
so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so blue and purple. Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
and Joyce is missing it, Oh, wait, you're videoing. We're good.
That's all right. Yeah, we get the colors.
What you need to do is step on this end and break it through it in the top.
Oh man. You can't capture it without video. You can't like get a picture to actually get the colors right.
I
Yeah.
put the funky flakes and then I have a copper tube.
Another coffin? Another coffin?
Oh, there goes the coffin.
Coffin. That's good. They ran in the coffin stuff.
The burning of the coffin.
Nice.
Yeah, must be we're in